Hi friends, in this problem we are given two circles placed against a right angle, right? And we are given that the radius of bigger circle is 2, right? And we are to find out what is the radius of the smaller circle. This is a very simple problem. We just need to use Pythagoras theorem here. Let's see how. Right. Let's take this bigger circuit, and if this is radius is 2, then we can complete this way. And we know what is this the distance from center to the vertex. Right. From O to this thing, O to B, which is actually the diagonal of the square, right? Or hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. So what is OB? OB is OB square is equal to AO square plus AB square. Right. Right. So OB is under root 2 square plus 2 square under root 8, which is 2 root 2. That is OB. OB is 2 root 2. Now, OB is also OD plus OD is the radius of this one, that is 2, plus the radius of smallest circle plus whatever the small amount extra that is left out. Right. Let us assume the radius of the smaller circle is A. Right. If smaller circle radius is A, then, if the center is E, what is EB? If this is A, this is A, AB, EB would be, this is root 2A, right? EB will be root 2A. And what is DE? DE is equal to A because that is the radius. OD is equal to 2, right? So OB is this 2 plus this radius A plus root 2A. Right. OB is A root 2, which is this part EB plus A, which is ED, plus OD, which is 2. OD is the radius of the bigger circle. Right. Now, OB earlier we calculated that is also 2 root 2. Now, these three together, A root 2 plus A plus 2 is equal to 2 root 2. What does that mean? A is equal to, you can just simplify it, right? A equal to 6 minus 4 root 2. Right. This is such a simple problem. We just need to use Pythagoras theorem here. Twice. Just need to use Pythagoras theorem and see this distance as sum of sum of radius and something extra. In both the cases, sum of radius and something extra. And total distance we can calculate using Pythagoras theorem. Thank you guys.